Good morning, dear students. I hope you are doing good. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is lesson number 33, track and field, page number 47. So these sports have gained huge popularity in the entire world. So in this lesson we are going to learn some popular games, athletics names. So see, this athletic game sports name is pole vault. So this is also popular game in the world. And second one, discus throw. It is also type of athletic sports and it is also famous in the world. And third one, javelin throw. Third one is javelin throw. Fourth one, long jump. Fourth one is long jump. Fifth one, shot put, and sixth one, high jump. And a single soccer player ran nearly 7 miles during an entire game. Okay, a single soccer. Those who are trained well, those who are playing well, they can go 7 miles during an entire games. And which Indian athlete is known as the Poly Express? With athlete is known as Poly Express, that is PT Usha. So in this lesson we learned some athlete sports name. Okay, there are 6 name we learn. Let's go to the next lesson, that is music from the world, page number 47. It is a very small. We have some musical instruments. Okay, we have some musical instruments. Among this musical instrument, we should find out in which place it was originated. That means it was founded by which country. Okay, the particular music instrument, where it was found, in which country people they found the particular instrument. Here are the some pictures of some famous musical instruments. Can you identify the places they originated from? So here we have 7 musical instruments. So we are going to learn these 7 musical instruments where it was originated. The first one, didgeridoo. The first one is didgeridoo, and second one santoor, third one is guitar, fourth one is oud, fifth one is tabla, and sixth one is rhubarb, and seventh one is lyre. So now we are going to match which is the for which musical instrument in which country. So didgeridoo is founded by Australia. So the Australia people only found this musical instrument. And second one, Iran. So santoor, the particular musical instrument, it was originated in Iran. Okay, santoor is founded by Iran peoples. And third one, guitar. And guitar, it was founded in Brazil. So Brazil people only founded the guitar musical instrument. And fourth one, oud. Okay, fourth one, oud, Arabia, it was founded the oud. Fifth one, tabla. Fifth one is tabla. So Indians are founded tabla musical instruments, Indian people. And sixth one, rhubarb. Sixth one is rhubarb. So rhubarb is founded in Afghanistan. Okay, rhubarb is founded in Afghanistan. And lyre, it was founded in Greece. Yes, now we learn the 7 musical instruments and where it was founded and which country people founded the musical instruments. So once again we read the answers. So didgeridoo, it was founded by Australia, and santoor, it was founded by Iran, and guitar, it was founded by Brazil, and oud, it was founded by Arabia. Tabla, it was founded by India. Rubab, it was founded by Afghanistan, and lyre, it was founded by Greece. Okay, and one more, that is Kazakhstan. The last, the picture is not disappear here. The musical instrument, it was founded by there. And I hope you understood the 6 athletic sports name and 8 musical instruments, the 8 country name we learned. A particular musical instrument in which country people founded. I hope you understand the lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.